I'm Jeff Robertson with Advantage Lumber. We're here at the JLC Live 2024. We are a direct importer of your tropical hardwoods. We're going to bring in Ipe, Kumru, Tigerwood, and we're going to ship directly to your job site. Everything we bring in is going to be pre-grooved, tongue and grooved, shiplap to order. We provide all of your fasteners with deckwise. So we have your Ipe oil, your end grain steel, anything that you need that's going to finish the project. On top of that, we're going to go to the interior with your pre-finished ceilings, all end matched, along with your flooring, which is going to be your tropicals, your Ipes and Kumrus and Tigerwoods. Next onto that, we brought on the Newcastle steel and LVLs for your framing. We're nationwide. We've got 4 locations in New York, North Carolina, Florida, and California. So we can ship to you each job within about a week to 2 weeks from place of order. If you need anything, have questions, or want to place an order, you can just give us a call. Thank you.